Spark your curiosity on any device that can stream video. Learn more and sign up today at CuriosityStream.com.
It's inspired by State Farm's surprisingly good deals.
Great like that, drill safe like that. Safe like that, straight up fast, straight race.
Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
For years, you've been thinking about getting LASIK. You've been talking about getting LASIK. And now, it's finally time to get LASIK. Right now, LASIK Plus is offering 20% off our Wavelight LASIK treatment. That's right, you can save hundreds when you're treated in January with LASIK Plus. Call 844-211-2020 or visit LASIKplus20.com. If you're nearsighted, farsighted, or have astigmatism, LASIK Plus may help fix your vision with a convenient and patient-focused experience. You'll be treated by Dr. Paul Frischella, an experienced LASIK provider with thousands of procedures performed. Call 844-211-2020 or visit LASIKplus20.com today and schedule your free LASIK exam. Don't miss your chance to save 20% today. Individual results may vary. You must mention this 20% off promotion and be treated in January of 2021 to qualify. See details at LASIKplus20.com.
This holiday season, we're all about shopping small because there's no greater joy than giving the perfect gift. And there's never been a more important time to support the small businesses that make it possible, like Sparrow's Nest Flower Shop. Here's owner Tina Roberts.
I love being a floral messenger, and I see the importance of what I do. Some people are unable to visit their loved ones, and I'm that link. I'm a small brick and mortar flower shop, and I like to sing it on a one-woman band here. It is so important to support local small businesses. We give back to our community, and no one likes seeing a big storefront. I'm also thankful for the floral peeps that support me and keep coming in for flowers. They're the best.
That's the kind of business we want to support because when businesses thrive, so does the community. This year, make sure you share joy and shop small with American Express.
Imagine feeling the freedom of 20/20 vision without the hassle of foggy glasses and contacts. Well, thanks to the LASIK Vision Institute, that freedom could be yours. If you want LASIK, then the LASIK Vision Institute has officially taken away everything standing in your way. At the LASIK Vision Institute, we're offering dramatically low prices, as low as $220 per eye, plus affordable financing. Go to LASIK.com and see if LASIK is right for you. The LASIK Vision Institute offers the latest FDA-approved LASIK technology, and our expert medical teams have performed over 1.3 million procedures. Technology and experience, all more affordable than you might imagine. Go to LASIK.com today to schedule your free consultation and start feeling the freedom of better vision. That's LASIK.com. Individual results vary. $220 per eye price available based on prescription. Go to LASIK.com for details. Patients age 40 and over will likely experience the need for reading glasses.
Great Toyota rebates, low APR specials, and awesome races. That Toyota US 31 in Scotty Logan. See dealer for details.
Since 1989, the Hoosier Lottery has given back $6 million to the state of Indiana, and they've done it with the help of proud Hoosiers like you. Find out more at HoosierLottery.com. And thank you for all your support. Imagine that. Play responsibly.
This is Jesse's.
I'm going to get involved here.
But driving through the snow from my home place.
Hell, we're up late.
So I pulled into a right out of Hertz and before I knew it, it had my car. I got to stay at the snow for a moment and I still needed to work on my
When the weather outside is frightful, the Hyundai Santa Fe is delightful because it's got available H-Track all-wheel drive to make being out together look better. And a few more chance to win a newly redesigned Santa Fe, packed with all the jingle bells and whistles you need to go dashing through the snow. To enter, visit Amazon.com/Hyundai or scan the QR code on specially marked red and green Amazon boxes. Call 562-314-4603 for complete details.
Okay, man.